When you put a question, what is enlightenment? That is the beginning of enlightenment. That's why you have chosen the subject, enlightenment. That word has come out from your mouth. When that word comes out of your mouth, that is the beginning of your enlightenment. See, enlightenment is an ongoing process. It's a continuous process of understanding things. More and more understanding of things. Anything in life, you want to understand. When you want to understand about life, particularly your own life, that is enlightenment. Why I am acting like this? Why I am not acting like this? Why I am thinking like this? How should I think? So when you begin to put questions, trying to understand yourself, that is the beginning of your enlightenment.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.